Here I have Honor X7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for this mode. You can allow interruptions like calls from anyone, from contacts only, from favorite contacts, or from nobody. The same goes for messages. There is also an option repeated calls. When enabled, a second call from the same person within 15 minutes will not be silenced. So yeah. And that's all the options for Do Not Disturb mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.